In this one we will transfer the Element Stealth X gearbox from this design with a motor next to the gearbox to a motor forward design. And for that we have designed a few plates. Well, the design was not originally mine.
It's free real estate.
But we transferred it from aluminium into carbon fiber, and that should make it a little bit more lightweight and maybe even stiffer. I will put a link in somewhere who we got this original design from, and then we took it to the next level, put it in CAD, made an STL, send it to a cent cut cent, and this is what we ended up with. We have a bunch of these, so if you are interested, they are for sale. Without further ado, let's take this one apart and change it into a forward motor design. Okay, and we're back. It is exactly just that easy as you saw me do. It's just bolt off and bolt on, and now we have our motor forward. So the gearbox still fits nice on the skid plate, and this one is a really forward motor design. Now I have the wires on the outside. You can of course switch that 180 degrees and then the wires are in the inside, or maybe just turn it another 90 degrees and the wires are on top. But this is how we do. This is at the moment Fusion 1800 an SE, but it can be done with an outrunner, with a brushed motor, whatever you like, and it's still easy to set your mesh. I think I over adjusted this one a little bit, so I will pull it back in. Something like this will be close to perfect, and then yeah, as you can see, works really nice. So that's all there is to it. Now you can ask yourself, why do we run through all the effort to do this? And that is two reasons. One, the forward motor design tends to drop the weight in front of the vehicle, which is always beneficial. And as you can see, this is a skid plate, so the motor is really low. It's low and forward. One, and then the other thing that's really interesting about this gearbox is it's a really nice and smooth 3D gearbox. There's a lot of plastic gears in there. There's also some metal gears. What is so interesting about this one? It can come with 0 underdrive, overdrive. You can go to 6%. You can go to, and now I'm speaking on my computer, you can go to around 12%, 18% and 25% overdrive or underdrive, as you want to call it, in this gearbox. So there's a lot of options. It's very versatile. It is silent, and thanks to this design, it is really far forward. Now, how does it look in a rig? Because I have one in a rig, and that's the one with the original aluminium plates. Let me grab that one, and then you can see it's over here. This is the gearbox, this is the aluminium plates, and this is a 1200 SE because it's a straight axle vehicle on element based axles. And as you can see, I hope the camera picks it up, the motor is really forward and it is low. You need to work a little bit with the links, so you get these strange bent links to the outside, but it's a pleasure to drive this one. If you would use an outrunner, you would only need a little bit of place. So if you have a forward motor design, if you have a forward skid design, then the skid would of course be over here, and then there is still room to put an outrunner in front of this really nice gearbox. Element gearbox, especially this one, the Stealth X, is an excellent gearbox. So yeah, it's a rather short episode, but this is actually everything I wanted to show you. If you are interested, you know where to find us. PM me on Discord or on Messenger, and we will see what we can do for you. So that's all for now, boys. See you on the next one. Bye.